Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare a simple soya chunks curry. This will taste so good and will be a perfect side dish for any kind of breads. You can also have this along with rice, rotis, chapatis, idlis and dosas. For this first we need to cook the soya chunks. Take enough water, add some salt, bring it to a boil and add half cup of soya chunks. Now we are going to cook this until the soya chunks become soft. This is ready. Let us drain the water and set this aside. For the gravy, add some oil in a pan. I am going to use coconut oil here. To this add a quarter cup of chopped onions and you have to saute this until this becomes translucent. Once the onions are done, add half a cup of chopped tomatoes. Now cook the tomatoes well, saute this for another 2 or 3 minutes. Let us add the masalas now. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and the required amount of salt. Saute everything well until the raw smell of the masalas goes off. Once this is done, you can add the soya chunks. Let us add a little water, around a quarter cup. Now cook this until it turns into a gravy. You have to cook this in medium flame. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves and give everything a nice mix. So here our soya chunks gravy is ready. This is a very simple curry that anyone can do, so do give a try. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.